Alright, here we have our simulation experiment on how tectonic plates move. Down here we have the flames, which represent the core, and the water is the mantle, all melted and heated. See these bubbles? They create a hot spot. That's a hot spot. And here are our tectonic plates.
You see, when the core heats up all the mantle it heats up, and heat likes to rise. And when the heat rises, something has to take its place. So the cool mantle from the sides takes its place. And while that's cool, and when that's heating up, the mantle that's already risen goes to the sides and starts cooling. And then it comes around again, and then takes the other mantle's place that has already heated up and risen, and it creates a circular flow like this.
And what kind of energy is that?
It's called circular energy.
No, that's the shape of the pattern.
Oh.
What kind of energy is that?
Thermal energy.
Thermal energy, that's
Thermal
right.
energy.
Okay, so bring on the tectonic plates. Let's see what's going on.
Bring on the
Here are tectonic plates. I'm going to put them right there
Oh, there they go
in
already.
the middle.
Okay,
Okay, see they're floating away from the middle.
so they're floating away from each other.
And then, after a while, they will start going around and back in.
So what does this prove?
This helps prove the theory of how tectonic plates move and create earthquakes.
Well, these ones don't create earthquakes. These are how plates move apart because of hot spots in the earth, right?
What force moves them.
Oh, what force moves them? That's right. Okay, so
You could put a
are you saying that there's a current in there
yes.
that we can't see?
Now we can put a few drops of food coloring in to help us see the current. Here we go.
right on the X.
See the food coloring? It's already moving away from the middle. Heating up still.
And what's carrying it away?
The heat is pushing it away. And see, it's already starting to go out and turn the
So
corners.
it's following the current.
There's our current.
So Max, after a while, what happens? Like, there's almost no food coloring in the middle anymore. It's all gone out to the outside. Will it eventually come back?
Yep. It'll eventually go either to the bottom and come in, or either to the top and come in.
Okay.
Doesn't really
So-
matter. But
So here, Max, you put in a little bit more red food coloring so we can see. So there's hardly any in the middle anymore. It's all gone to the edge.
all right. Right in the middle. Just
Okay, so there's the red. Yeah, that's a lot of... Okay, Max, now explain what's going on.
Now, look how fast that's heating up. Now see, all the stuff that's on the bottom is still sort of heating up, and it's not heated up yet. Now there's not really very much on the middle X. And now it's all moving apart.
So you can really start to see the currents, can't you? Moving away from the hot spot. And now the blue is back to the middle. Does that mean it cooled off? And then it went back to the...
It has to take its place. Now there's a bunch of blue in there.
Ah, so now the red is on the outside, and the blue is back to the middle. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. And so this represents what?
This shows how tectonic plates move and what force moves them.
So Max, what force is moving them?
The heat, the thermal energy, and look, the tectonic plates are already starting to move away from the heat again.
Cool.
That means this is their second time.
So it's the thermal energy moving the melted rock in the mantle layer that is moving the tectonic plates. Is that what this is proving?
Yeah.
Cool.